Hi guys, it's Love. So, I'm so excited today because guess what we're doing? We're finally getting to our new apartment. Yes, you heard it right. Okay, let's not do that again in public because people are giving me the looks. You guys, I've waited for so long for this moment and I literally can't wait anymore. But before getting the keys, let's just do a quick fit check. So we've got this thrifted jacket, some necklaces, also a really cute short top, some shorts with laces that I added and I think they look really cute. And then we've got my star headphones which are really cute as you can see. Also this is not like promo or anything, but the sound quality, guys, you have to try them. Okay, enough talking and let's just go to the place. Wait, you guys, I've just remembered that I haven't told you yet which apartment I've chosen from those 4 apartments that we toured last video. So the one that I chose was apartment number 4. I guess it was just the one that fulfilled more my requirements and I think that the area is quite nice, so I chose that one. I just went for it. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, we're getting a coffee before going there because girl, I'm not a person if I don't get my morning coffee. Okay, I sounded like a white mom, but let's go. Okay, quick story time while I'm sitting here eating my stuff. So, you know how I toured the apartment last month? Well, turns out another guy also toured the apartment but 3 weeks before me. So, the owners just weren't counting on him because they thought that he wasn't gonna get the apartment. Well, I made my reservation, I did everything. I also did my first payment. And then that guy showed up saying, oh no, I should get the apartment because I toured it before her. Girl, what you saying? Like, I talked with the owners and they just told me that the apartment was mine, that I didn't need to worry and that I should just ignore him. Okay, so enough of that. Also, because September's here, you know, autumn's showing up, I got my first pumpkin spice latte of the year. Okay, I'll just finish this muffin and I'll go because I'm running late already. I can officially say this is my apartment. So another super exciting thing for today is that we're going to Ikea because let's just say that this is kinda empty. So I'm gonna need to buy a sofa, some shelves, I'll probably get some plants as well, and we'll see if we can get a bed. I'm making my brother take me there because ain't no way I'm paying for a taxi for that long of a trip. Alright, let's go. Okay, the worst thing that could have happened has actually happened. The car broke down. We don't even know why. We think it's gas problems because my lazy brother didn't want it to go to the gas station before coming to Ikea. So now we're in the middle of nowhere and the car has just stopped right by this castle. Guys, the gate is opened, but I don't think we should go in. Also, it's looking kind of abandoned, so yeah, I know where we're going in. Like, this is the way that people in horror movies dies, and I'm more intelligent than them. So yeah, let's just wait here. Also, I wonder how people live in these castles. I would love to live here at least once. Okay, looks like a friend of his is coming and it's gonna bring up some fuel. Carrying these boxes was a nightmare. Good thing the Ikea guys let me buy this kind of cart for the heavier boxes because I couldn't have done it otherwise. I'm not gonna unpack today because I feel like I'm gonna pass out, and also it's getting kinda late, so let's go for something. So I was looking for a place to go out to eat, and I've just remembered that when I was looking around the area, I found this diner that had like this vintage vibe, and I just have to go and try it. I'm so exhausted. Okay, you guys, I'm finally home after this long day. I'm just gonna take a quick shower and hit the sack because I cannot with my life anymore. Stay tuned for the next videos because I will be decorating the apartment, and just based on the ideas that I've seen on Pinterest, it's gonna look super cute. So if you wanna follow me in my journey, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me in my other socials because you're gonna see some sneaky peekies over there these next days. Alright, love you, bye.